Looking for a Udemy coupon before you buy a course? You're definitely not alone. One of the biggest reasons people choose Udemy is that you can learn practical, job-ready skills without spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on traditional training programs. Whether you're interested in digital marketing, web development, Python, data science, AI, graphic design, business, Excel, project management, or content creation, chances are you'll find multiple courses covering exactly what you want to learn. The best part is that Udemy frequently runs promotions and discounts on thousands of courses throughout the year, often reducing course prices significantly. Udemy also regularly offers special deals and promotional pricing on popular topics like AI, coding, business, marketing, and personal development. That's why experienced learners rarely pay full price. Before enrolling, it's always worth checking whether a Udemy coupon, promo code, or special offer is available first. If you're a student, freelancer, agency owner, entrepreneur, e-commerce seller, or professional looking to upgrade your skills, even a small discount can help you access high-quality training while keeping costs low. So before purchasing any course, check the description below. I've included the latest Udemy discount link and any available coupon offers that may help you save money on your enrollment. And if you enjoy finding verified coupon codes, software deals, online course discounts, and learning resources that deliver real value, subscribe to the channel, because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.